What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day. A quick one here on net gas, gold, silver, crude oil, starting with natural gas. So what do we have right here? And price just made a new low, breaking below the previous lows. And how nicely it's been pushing down and keep on breaking below the previous low and keep on making the new lows. And as you can see, right from here, price pushed up, pull back, push down, break below the previous low. We had a pullback, we had a push down, break below the previous low. But if you look here on NEMIX, we had a nice pattern as well. We had a push up, pull back, break below the previous low. Push up, pull back, break below the previous low, pull back and break below the previous low, making new lower lows. And that is how we continue to push down and keep on taking sell trades. We've been taking up some nice good trades. If you have taken this trade, talking about the discretionary style of trading from this trend line, that nicely played out and it still pushes lower. So that is what we can expect next. Now, as I just shown you that we had a pullback, push down, pull back, push down, and pull back and push down right here, and now I'm expecting another pullback correction, and then we can see another push lower. Now if there is no pullback and price just directly hit my support zone that was already shown in my yesterday's videos, feel free to check that out. I've shown the support zone for all four platform: NEMIX, Capital.com, Awanda and MCX. So have the zones ready there on your charts, and once the price is inside the zone, now it is very important, must be oversold in the RSI. With that, I want to see bullish engulfer. That will be aggressive entry. I want to show you one example here. Right here, if you look here, oversold, bullish engulfer. That is one sort of entry, and we have previously oversold, divergence, double bottom. So that is the strongest entry we have right here. So that is the similar pattern we are looking here. Aggressive entry will be bullish engulfer, less aggressive and strongest entry will be double bottom pattern. So I'm expecting one more correction. Now this correction could be big and good, and that is something you don't need to get alarmed of. We are not buying. It is just a process in a downtrend. It is just something I call profit taking, and then they sell again and then they push down. Profit taking, they sell again and then they push down. We might see another push up, pull back, and the retail traders or big traders, they want to enter at a good price if they want to sell this market again. And now we are heading towards the next demand zone. That is a demand zone liquidity area from where we can see a nice push down. I've shown this area in my previous video. Feel free to check that out. So very important, if the price just get oversold here, in that case we can see a possible correction and then push down. So that is the only support I'm looking at. I'm not buying here, but I'm only buying here. Doesn't matter if the price pushes up from here, I don't care, but as long as I'm not in my support, I'm not buying. But yes, I'm expecting a correction and a pullback and then a push down. So keep an eye. That is a pattern we can see, a pullback and a push down again. And same goes with all the platform right here, as you can see on Awanda. Exactly the same. We are good to take a pullback entry bearish, exactly how we took previously. Pullback entry is something I want to see. We had a new low and now we can take pullback entry bearish. Once we have that, I'm going to go for a 1 ATR or 2 ATR for the targets, and exactly goes with Capital.com as well. Nice bearish engulfer happened at the trend line. It is now pushing up. The support is almost there. Once the price hit my support zone, I would be entering my buy trades with the conditions I've just shown you in golfers and pin bars or double bottom pattern, something I want to look for from the zone below. MCX is right here. Keep an eye on the support that I've already shown in my yesterday's video. Next up, we have gold. Similar as natural gas, gold just made a new low as well right here. Keep on making lower lows. Now at this point we can see another pullback. If we have bearish engulfer, I'm just gonna go short, simply 1 ATR for my targets and keep on taking shots till we are here. Once we are here, we might see a double bottom from where we can see a push, a first bottom, second bottom, and then we are buying here. So this is the only zone from where I want to buy gold. Otherwise I'm only selling gold till we are right here. But to sell gold, I want to see my bearish engulfing pattern. Simple as that. That is all we are looking at. Only pullback entry bearish. That is all we are looking at for gold, and buy from the zone that I've already shown in my yesterday's video, how I'm going to enter in my double bottom trades. Next up, we have silver, and how nicely that pushed down and all the way from my double top area that I've already predicted in my Telegram channel. If you have entered here, the long-term traders, they have entered, if they have entered right here, that would be your entry. And if you kept your stop loss bit above the zone, take profit. If you want to go 1-to-1, that is something like this. But 1 ATR, if I talk about 1 ATR all the way from here, 1 ATR would be 72. That is exactly like this. So 72 is an area. That is something I'm expecting from the price. And we had a nice double top here, and I'm still expecting a nice fall out of silver and expecting my targets to hit here on a daily time frame. Now on 4 hour, we are broken below 50 EMA. If you are someone who trades on 4 hour time frame, all we are looking at a break below this low. That is very important. Then a pullback, and then bearish engulfer, and keep on taking shots till we get to the green zone, which is right here, these numbers in blue. Once we are in this zone, I'm looking for my bullish trades like engulfer, so double bottom bullish patterns. So that is all I'm looking at. So only wait for the price to break below this low and close as well, and then we are just selling this market. Overall, we are bearish and we are good to go for sell trades only with entry conditions. Finally, we have crude oil. It's now broken out and we are above this range. So at this point, I'm actively looking for engulfing pattern above 50 EMA. Once I have that, I'm just gonna go long from it. So simply bullish engulfer above 50 EMA must happen for my next buy trade. Only one candle is allowed to close below 50 EMA. If the next candle close back above with engulfing candle, then I will go long. Bullish cross happened here, and we can see a possible continuation towards the upside, looking at the nice and a gradual upward moves. So let's see how this goes. I'm only buying crude oil at this point. If you're trading on NEMIX right here, we are only buying as well, and as you can see, it is nicely pushing up, and we are only looking at this level above to sell crude oil. Otherwise, I'm just buying with pullbacks engulfer and keep on taking longs. So I'm not selling crude oil as long as we are trading above 50 EMA. So that's it for today's video. Hope you got a value. If yes, hit a like button for me, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.